guys, good afternoon. I'm on my lunch break and guess what? Today is Friday 28th of June and Daddy and we are celebrating our 3rd anniversary. I bought him some stuff already guys, but I thought because we're going away for the whole weekend and it will be cold, I wanted to get him a how do you call it, a jumper to keep him warm. Although I'm gonna keep him warm, but jumper will keep him warmer. So yes, so that's where I'm going. I've got this thing in mind already because last time when I was in District Docklands, I went to Fila and I was eyeing one jumper, so that's where I'm going guys. Come with me. Sorry, Ingo. Thank you. There's lots of options, guys. I think that one's good. So I got it now guys. I hope that Daddy will like the color and I think I've got the right size. So it's from Villa. So I'm back in the building guys. It's my OOTD. Hi guys, good afternoon. So I am now at home. So I'm now at home and Daddy is not home at the moment. He went to get his haircut. So I bought this guys, the balloon, and Paris is currently playing with it and she's loving it. Woo! Yeah, and also I got him this guys. So I just printed a photo and put it in the frame. That's the one there. What's wrong? And I got him a card, of course. I'm gonna put you down. So he's here. Hang on guys. Let's open the door. Yay! Say to the happy anniversary, Daddy. Oh, shush. Is that yours? No, that's Daddy's. That's Daddy's. Daddy. I think this Ma, happy anniversary, Daddy. Yeah. She doesn't care. Alright, close the door. Hi guys, good evening. So we've done what we need to do. We've given Dada his gift and yeah, I just came upstairs to have this quick video with you guys because I want to show you what Dada got me for our 3rd anniversary. I've got the whole gang with me, guys. Wow. I love you, Anna. So yeah, so the first thing that he's got for me is this. This is a camera bag, guys. So this particular one is from Pro Master. So that one, it says Cityscape 5 Holster Sling. Holds a small DSLR or mirrorless camera with lens and accessories. So that's what he gave me. Yeah, because I haven't showed it to you guys. I bought a camera online, which is very exciting. I haven't received it yet, but I think it'll be here by yeah, sometime next week. So that's very exciting. But before it arrives, Dada's got me this already, so you know, keep my camera safe. And please excuse my little friend here, guys. She just decided to come out today. Yeah, so this is how you open it. Ooh. So there's another sling, guys, if you need it. And here, see, it's where you can put all the SD card, so it's safe. It's not going anywhere. And there you can put the camera. Paris. Yeah, guys, so I think this is pretty good. We'll keep the camera safe. Hang on. Whoop. That's what it looks like. And here I think you can put, I don't know, maybe USB cables or extra battery. Yep, that's pretty good. And also he's got me, where's that? Where's the other one? Oh. So we've got this one, guys. So this is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. It's 64 gigabyte SD card. That's good. Yeah, so that's what I've got, guys. And also for the whole weekend, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, we are going away. So Dada booked we're going out of town, which is very exciting. Yeah, Dada booked like a 2-night accommodation in Blackwood. So Blackwood is in the country, guys, but careful. But yeah, we decided to go out there and maybe look some ponies for Paris. Yeah, we're gonna do some stuff while we're out. Yeah, so I'm not working on Monday. I have Monday off, so I have the extra time with Paris and Dada. So yeah, so tonight we'll just stay at home, relax, and get recharged for tomorrow because we have to leave early in the morning.
What time tomorrow then?
I don't know, maybe we have to leave 10? Yeah, around 10 tomorrow, so we have to wake up early. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope to see you guys in our next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Nak, bye-bye na ka na!
Bye!
Hala, isa na sa benching ko.
Benching ko?
I 5 cents. Bye! Bye, sa! Good job! Bye! Bye, sa! Bye! See you later! See you later, nak! Ala, see you later daw ko, anak ka ng flying kiss. Flying kiss.
Flying kiss pa.
Flying kiss.